Hey y'all, it's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to install your lace frontal wig with absolutely none whatsoever baby hairs. And getting right into the video, I had already mowed down my cap, and which usually I don't mow down my cap, but for the purpose of this video, I'm mowing down my cap, and I'm just cutting off the excess cap that was left on. And I had already glued it down with got to be glue, but I'm cutting off all the excess because I want to try to get it as close as I can to my hairline. Now the next step I'm going to take is apply some loose powder to the hairline of my cap and my cap only. Try not to get it on the surface of your face because once you apply the glue, it can become cakey, and you don't want your hairline on your wig to be cakey at all. So just try to apply it to your hairline of your cap. And instead of the got to be glue, I am using the Ghost Bond glue today because I want it to last a little bit longer since I did mow down my cap. So I'm using the Ghost Bond, and I do apply it to the hairline of the cap first to lay down the ridges of the hairline, and then I go back over it again and put some more to apply the wig. And if you didn't already know, when you apply the glue and you're rubbing it in, make sure you rub forward and not back so you won't lift up the cap. Now this is my own preference. I apply got to be glue free spray along the perimeter of my hairline, and then I brush back all the baby hairs and then apply my scarf to it to lay it down, and then I wait for about 15-20 minutes, maybe even 30, just for it to be dry. Now, while I was waiting for my hairline to dry, I went ahead and tried to straighten the hair as best as I could because y'all seen how it looked before. But I had straightened it, not like bone straight, but straight enough for y'all get the point. And now I am just brushing back some more baby hairs just to try to show y'all the hairline. And voila. As I was brushing back some of the baby hairs on my hairline, I caught a little piece of my cap and it's just on my sideburns, so I'm gonna just cut off that tiny piece of cap and just continue on with the process. Comment below which style y'all like more. Do y'all like the side part or the middle part? Watch the end of the video to see which one I choose. Yes, I went with the side part, but I kind of like the middle part too, but I guess I'm wanting to switch it up a little bit. But if y'all like the video, make sure you like, comment which style y'all like the best below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.